Today we will learn what are the performance I have received after running the Performance Max campaign. As you all know, that's the new campaign launched by Google, and lots of person will be looking at how is performance before running this campaign. So I have run this campaign, and what are the result? I'll let you know. But there is a one big problem also that for which I have to close this campaign even that result was also good, but there is one major issue in this campaign for which I have to close this campaign. I let you know all the situation, all the performance what I have received after this running this campaign after a month. And this campaign can be run with the two conversion bidding strategy only. One is conversion and second one is conversion value. So I have tested this Performance Max campaign on conversion only. The business model is the lead only. So I have not tested it conversion value. Once I will test it on conversion value on this sales or e-commerce platform, then I'll give you the result for conversion value also. But as of now I have run this campaign for 1 month around for conversion on lead model business only. Okay, so I have run this campaign on 15th of December around, and just 2-3 days back only I have closed this campaign due to there was complaint coming from the client side. Even though client was getting the good result, but still they are saying that please close this campaign, I do not want to run this campaign. So what was the reason? I let you know. So here you can see that after running this campaign for 1 month around, after running this campaign for 1 month around, the cost per conversion I was getting is 63 point, which is below to half from the my normal search campaign. Here you can say that's a search campaign and that's a Performance Max campaign. Before I let you know why I have to close this campaign, I would like to let you know that what are the platform where Google plays our ad, and either it is in with our control or it is in 100% in Google control. So these are the platform Google will place your ad in YouTube, in Gmail, in search, display, discovery, and the things this all platform is not in our control. Like as a search ad, we can control that we want to place our ad in search platform only, and we can disallow to Google search partner. But the in Performance Max campaign, situation is in not in our hand. That means you either you agree or not agree, either you need or not need display placement, but Google will place your ad on display also, in discovery also, in search also, in Gmail or YouTube also. That means nothing is in our control. And in this campaign you will not receive any search term, or even you cannot give any keyword in this campaign. So these are the things which is not in our control. Google Performance Max campaign is almost similar like a Google Smart campaign, but the major difference in Google Performance Max campaign and Google Smart campaign is goal. That means in Google Smart campaign you cannot decide your goal. Google will automatically decide the what is the goal for you, and what is the major conversion point for you. For an example, if I do not want to consider call as a conversion, I need submit lead form only for my conversion. So Google will not give you permission to edit your goal. But in Google Performance Max campaign, you have this liberty. You can decide your own goal. So in this Google Performance Max campaign, I have taken submit lead form is the major conversion goal for me, and call or other direction, this all is not my conversion point. So Google will optimize this campaign only for your major conversion point only. So this is the major difference for the Google Performance Max campaign and Google Smart campaign. Client was saying that after running this campaign, I have started to receiving the call, WhatsApp message, even video call also, and all this video call, WhatsApp message. That's not the normal message. That's a kind of own time messages also client start to receiving. So client is saying no matter at what price I am getting the conversion, if I will be too much of disturbed by this campaign, I will never like to run this campaign because my work is disturbing. I am not able to sleep well by this campaign. So please disclose campaign. Even though I was suggested to client that if you need, I will made the complete landing page, and I will remove the call extension. Even in my landing page I will remove the your phone number also, but client told that no, I do not want to run this campaign. That means it shows that how much frustration client face by this campaign. So in my suggestion, if you are running this campaign, so please be aware that that kind of issues you may face. So in starting only, because I have client is not given me time to optimize this campaign or make the changes due to problem what problem client was facing. So in my suggestion, I will suggest you, if you are running this campaign, so in starting only make the fresh landing page, and in landing page do not mention the client mobile number, do not attach the call extension. That means in campaign anywhere do not mention the client mobile number. Just purely run this campaign for the lead business only. So that can be well for you, otherwise you can also face this kind of issue. So this is my feedback. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll give my real life experience, real life feedback on this channel. So please subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.